So this problem says if h of x is equal to negative 4x plus 5, first finding h of 0. So notice that 0 is in the place of x when we defined h of x. That means that we need to substitute 0 for every x we see in the function. So h of 0 is equal to negative 4 times 0, so I'm plugging in the 0 for x, plus 5. So simplifying, negative 4 times 0 makes 0, and 0 plus 5 is 5. So letter A, h of 0 is equal to 5. For letter B, we're looking for h of 3. So it's a similar idea. 3 is in the place of x, so we need to plug in 3 for everywhere we see x in our function. So h of 3 is equal to negative 4, and we'll plug in 3 for x, plus 5. So we can simplify negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and bring down the plus 5. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. So h of 3 is equal to negative 7. And the last one, h of negative 2, we can plug in negative 2 for our value of x. So negative 4 times negative 2 plus 5. So a negative times a negative is a positive. 4 times 2 is 8. So we have positive 8 plus 5. And then when we add 8 plus 5, we get 13. So I hope this question makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. As well, if you have any other homework problems that you'd like to see worked out, feel free to leave those in the comments as well, and I'll do my best to make you a video. Thanks for watching.